some time to concentrate. This thing of ours, this soda review, it's kind of hard sometimes, especially if you go against the soda. Don't go against the soda. Just this once, I'll let Kay ask me a question about the soda. Although I'm actually sounding more like Vito. But anyway. We got a soda that is called Caruso's. It is an old-fashioned Italian-style soda made with maraschino cherries. It's a maraschino cherry cola. It's Caruso's old Italian soda. We will see if it's any good or should it be whacked. Should we drink it and take the cannolis, or should we just leave it and forget about it? Yes, that's right. This is Caruso's tradition. The Caruso tradition is a way of doing business that continues to prove there's no substitute for quality from family tradition. Their philosophy is passed down from 4 generations, going back to Peter Caruso from Palermo, Italy, who was awarded the Italian Citizen of the Year in Milwaukee. The Caruso legacy is the high standard of quality and hard work and integrity that they abide by to this day at the Witt Beverage Company, which is their distributor. So this is a soda that comes from Milwaukee. I actually found this at the Cracker Barrel. So we'll see if this is something that's worth keeping around. Wah, 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 da-da, boom, boom, boom. It's passable.
So is it made or does it get whacked?
It's not made. It's just gonna stay around until it proves that its services are no longer needed. I mean, I mean, it's a very ordinary soda. It's not great, not bad. I mean, I'll give it maybe a 7.4. I mean, I've had worse, I've had better. It's meh. You know, in many ways you could say this is basically the godfather of trio sodas. You know, it doesn't live up to expectations, and some people really may not like it. I mean, it's not bad. It stands on its own, and that's how I try to review it. But it's forgettable.